Welcome everyone. In this video I'm gonna be showing how we can install a Ubuntu and VMware hypervisor. So for Windows we have VMware Workstation Pro, which you can get from the link over here. Just press on a download, it will take you to the website. They recently changed the portal for downloads, and select from here, select the VM Cloud Foundation. Here you can search Workstation, then Workstation Pro. Select the version which you want to download. I'm gonna go with the Windows personal use. Here the least recent one, and I'm gonna download it for you. So I agree to conditions and download. Okay, so yes. So I have reset the system, and let's start the VM workstation. Okay, so let's open a virtual machine over here. I'm gonna select the ISO. Oh, I'm sorry. So create a new virtual machine. We're gonna call it typical one. Next. So let's select the ISO. So it's an ISO Ubuntu. You can browse and go to the one which you have downloaded, the Ubuntu. I have already downloaded, so I'm gonna select this one. And let's go next. So I'm gonna give it a next. Okay, so which machine name? Any random. Let me scroll down where I want to store it. Okay, so let's create a new folder over here. Demo. And select this one. And next. Amount of storage you want. Make it 80. So I'm gonna select it here. Next. Hardware requirements, you can add the hardware requirements over here. If you need a more RAM, you can increase over here. Processors, how many cores in the processor you need. Networking type, so there's a NAT which gonna share the host IP, or you can make it isolated by host only, or you can bridge it to a physical network adapter if you want. And for RAM, let me make it a proper 8. Okay, so it's there. Processor, it's 4 and 2. Oh, I'm sorry, 2. And that's it. Close and finish. So it is booting up. You can go to full screen over here. So yeah. Oh, display. You can make it full HD from here. It will make like this.